All right, fun little project. 40 or 41 Ford truck and a 40s cab. We really don't know what the hell we got going on here. Damn right. We're gonna go fast or look cool or do both. This one is probably gonna be for donor parts. It's pretty rough. We'll buff out. But there are some good parts on here we can use on the other cab. I got a couple other projects going on around the yard too. Yeah. My Roadster, we're getting ready to bring this thing back in. We started this at Bernie Fest at Village Customs last fall, and unfortunately the shoebox has been taking up my time. So we're gonna get back on this thing and get it ready to roll and hopefully be cruising around this spring. Enjoy that nice open top. And then we have the shoebox. This thing's been driving me nuts the past couple months. But after a couple different suspension options and some engine work, transmission work, we got it running great. It handles great. We'll start working on the interior over the next couple months, getting that cleaned up a little bit. Go out cruising. Bring this up to the shop. Go ahead and get the bed off of here and the cab. We're not going to do anything with the chassis or that torque tube rear end. Bed's a little tweaked. She is out. In case you're wondering why we're over here with torches and stuff, it's because all that wood was completely infested with termites. Check out the old donor truck. We're gonna steal the frame and use this for the 41. Damn, this thing's nasty. Oof. That's bad. Luckily, we're not using that. Nick has much bigger plans for the engine. So we did get the Roadster body off. She went off no problem. We got the frame stripped down a little bit, got the mounts cut loose, the pipe in the front. Had to make a little welding adjustment there in the frame. Ran out of wire, unfortunately. This is why you should have two of these. One in your machine and one waiting on the shelf. But no. I don't know any better. We were going to tear down the parts truck, but as you can see, it's a beautiful, rainy North Carolina day. The parts truck's sitting out there all alone.